Away na gijingkli ha kakanta kali jingkli ha kasngi baar ka dorbar mangtingka jongka yang dorbar Thawan ka jela Meghalaya ha ka laitre ulaber arajar pesan kade gijingkli balabu dau ba New Yorki sungo UMLA ka United Democratic Party na mo kayaw ha ka ba ulakwa ban tip ya ka jingya chakmat ka jingterwa ban shna ya ka Laskein civil subdivision. Ubak Prestone tensong usembut menteri rangba kubadai pet ya katanat kampo yang ke Sorkar jela ulaong maka ni ka kam kadang sa ha ka jingpet benya. Hadian kejing jubab jong ba Prestone tensong kalawan mi kejing keli benrap now branding is sang ma UMLA ka National People's Party NPP na dalu hakaba ulaong bagi civil subdivision harilom garo ki bala Plie hak isnam arajar arpuar do arajar Plie syam la Pynbiang bakin tray kampura na do ki office tray kam ki surok ki jakasa ki nong tray yakaba ba Prestone ulaong baka Sorkar kan sa penyat no syakmat pan penbet Pynbiang pura yaki.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 3. Sir, the matter is under examination.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. One question I would like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir. Since I've been raising this question since 2018, and I've got the same reply, sir, that the matter is under examination. So may I once again know, sir, what are the matters that needs to be examined so that we can create a civil subdivision in Laskein block?
Sir, why I reply that the matter is under examination? Because, sir, creation of new civil subdivision or district has to be properly examined by the government, and especially it relates to quite a number of departments of the government. And for the information of the honorable member, the questioner, in fact in 2021 we have written a letter to all the department concerned to submit all the details for consideration of the creation of civil subdivision, and few department has submitted the clarification, and also more of them are yet to submit the detailed report. And thereafter, sir, again one standing committee headed by the Chief Secretary will again, once the report is collected from all the concerned department, and all this report will be again sent to the standing committee under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, and thereafter the committee will put up to the government for final decision.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the knowledge of this House that the Laskein block is one of the oldest blocks in the state as a whole, sir. It was Laskein block was inaugurated in the year 1973, sir. Until now, we are having a population of not less than 1,25,000, and that also as per Aadhaar enrollment, sir. And the total number of households is more than 15,000, and the area which Laskein block covers, it is more than 500 square kilometers. So, looking at all these basic requirements, we feel that Laskein block has fulfilled all the necessary requirements to be upgraded to a civil subdivision. So that's why, sir, I raised this issue again, and with the hope that the government will listen the cry of the people of our Laskein block, sir. And one more question, sir. How much is the cost, sir, for in 1 year for the cost of creation of one civil subdivision, sir?
Sir, I don't have a detail of the total cost in creation of each civil subdivision. But of course, once the decision is taken for creation of new civil subdivision, we need to also consider the expenditure of creation of posts and creation of establishment or infrastructure in that particular area, and so on and so forth. So I don't have the exact in expenditure involved in the proposed creation of civil subdivisions. But however, as I've already replied in the very beginning, that the matter is being examined by the government. Sir.
One last question, sir. So I would just like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, whether is there any specific timeline, sir, that the government said to fulfill the aspiration of the people of my Laskein block, sir?
Sir, there is no such specific timeline, but let the government examine the matter. As I've already replied, we are going to again examine very seriously on this petition and the question raised by the honourable members.
Since this question is related to civil subdivision, may I also ask one question? So may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister whether any step has been taken up to construct civil subdivision building, staff quarters, approach road, boundary fencing, and court at the civil subdivision area, which was created civil subdivision at Talu last term during 2022-23.
Yes, sir, we are aware that a number of created civil subdivision does not have a proper designated offices, and even the staff quarters does not. Yet we are not able to provide till today. But recently, under the chairmanship of the Honourable Chief Minister, sir, we have decided that all those created civil subdivision will be provided with a full-fledged office building, staff quarters, and also all other related basic requirements in all the subdivisions, civil subdivisions throughout the state.
I also want to know, sir, the thought of the government for creation of civil subdivision at the Morsaram at Morsaram, because this issue I have spoken in the last financial year, and in the autumn session also I have verbally briefed the figure that required for fulfillment to create a civil subdivision. So may I know from the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, the thought or the status of creation the civil subdivision of Morsaram, sir?
Mr. Speaker, sir, same yardstick will be applied. Same yardstick will be applied.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.